guys and welcome to Carmen's Creative Creations, and I just got the most amazing package, and yes, I have already opened it, and it was an EOS lip balm. So I've been asking Mummy and Daddy if I could buy one, but they were really expensive, so I was been saving up to buy one, and I thought that my cousin, so do you know Martin from Mad World? We went to Westfield together with my other cousin, Amari, and we were going there just to do some shopping. And then we split up and we went into different places to see different things. Martin went upstairs to a beauty shop, I think, and Amari went into a trainer shop, and me and my mum went into like a toy store or like a stationery shop. And then when Martin came down with her mum, she was like, "Come Ray, I saw EOS lip balm. It was £7," and I was like, really? I'm not gonna buy it for £7. I saved that, and this one here, it was only £4.19, and the flavour is pomegranate raspberry. And this is the packaging. It came like 5 minutes ago or something like that. And I said to my mum, if this was the only lip balm I had, I would never buy any more, because it's better all the time. It's better to have one really good thing, or something that you enjoy, one really good thing, instead of lots of small different alright things. So I've got a collection of lip balms, if you guys already know. I've got like 30 something. I think 32 or something, and this is probably my 33rd. And I at least have to carry 5 or 2 different flavours in my pocket. And from now on, I'm just gonna keep this one in my pocket. And I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna use it too much, otherwise it's gonna run out and it's just gonna get all messed up. So I watch a lot of tutorials on different things to do with EOS lip balms, and one of them was how to make a heart right there. So I think how you do it is get an X-Acto knife and cut out and trace a heart, and then dig out all that stuff from the heart, and then that excess, put it in a bowl and melt it, and then put red food colouring or whatever colour heart you want, and then pour the lip balm liquid in the hole you made, and then put it in the freezer, and then you should have the heart all the way through. I don't think that's the correct way, but that's my way. That's what I would do. Or what you could do is you could just trace a heart and not dig all the way down, just dig a bit. Then with that, make like a little sheet about that thick or something, about that thick, and then cut a heart, and then put a bit of shea butter on the back or in the hole, and then just stick the lip balm on, and then it will stay, and then put it in the fridge so it can set. Yes, so I'm really excited that I got this. So I was sitting down, just watching H2O, the mermaid. H2O just said water. So I was laughing and I was watching the video and I was watching the episodes until I heard ding dong. Then I ran to the door and I was like, and then me and my dad, we went to the door. I ran to the door. Yeah, I think I did. And then it was the postman, and then the postman said, "Is this for my mum?" And she was like, my dad took the parcel, which was this, and then I was like, I think it's my EOS, and I was like, in my head, it has to be my EOS. And if it wouldn't, then I'll be really disappointed. And it was. So basically, it came. So pretend that I haven't opened it. So the EOS is in its packaging. Oops. So the EOS, pretend that I haven't opened it, and the EOS is in its packaging, nice and sealed, and it just came really tiny right there, and then it was all sealed up, was that like that, and then I was like, dun, da, da, da. Oh my gosh, it's my EOS, and I started and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so excited that I got it. So, my phone. And if any of you have an EOS, tell me and maybe send me a few links of how you would like DIY things to do with it, like to make a heart or a flower or different cool things to do with an EOS. And the question of the day, which you will answer in the description box below, is do you collect lip balms or do you have an EOS? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're a lip balm collector like me and you've got an EOS, would you think the same as me? Would you be like, if I got this, because I've been wanting this EOS for so long, I'm not going to buy any more lip balms, I'm going to sell the rest of mine. But I didn't say I'll sell them, I'll still keep them because then I'm kind of be wasting money. And tell me if you are an EOS lover or if you are a lip balm collector. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Ultra out.